Lots of people have asked me, and asked the office, about the difference between the KG hypnobirthing teacher training course when it's done live, face-to-face, or when it's on Zoom. So I thought I'd have a little chat about it now and tell you the differences. The course effectively is exactly the same course. So there is no difference in the content. We've all got very used to doing lots of Zoom courses and Zoom meetings recently, so you know what that's like. The advantages for quite a few women have come on the course after you may have used it for the birth of your own baby, would love to train, but you're breastfeeding, so you couldn't do a face-to-face course, but you can do the virtual course. And we frequently have somebody who's breastfeeding a baby, which is absolutely wonderful, because they can speak from very recent first-hand experience about the benefits of KG hypnobirthing. It's rather nice, actually, to see people's dogs and cats wander past, too. It just makes it more friendly. We miss out, of course, on not being able to chat in the coffee breaks. But what I do is, at the end of the course, I will stay on the screen, and then we can chat about anything we like for as long as we like. So that's, to some extent, makes up for not being able to chat face-to-face in the break. The other advantage is you're at home, you don't spend time traveling, you don't spend money traveling, you don't spend money maybe on a hotel. So there are many advantages. The only two things that we can't do quite so well on Zoom, there's one exercise we do, which is a lovely exercise, but you really need to be with somebody in the same room. So we've got a lovely video of it that we've done, which we will show you. You'll have notes about it. And I would ask you to practice in the evening with your partner, with your husband, and then we can talk about it the next day. So if you did have any problems, we can go through it and get them sorted out. So we get around that one like that. I don't think there are any other. That's the only bit. Oh, there's one other little exercise which I have to tell you about, and you have to practice with your partner. Both perfectly straightforward and easily demonstrated, but they're the only things that we can't do when we're not together. Obviously, if you come to the face-to-face course, you get the benefit of being with other people, and that's so lovely, particularly as we've not had that very much recently. As long as it's necessary, we maintain social distancing and masks and all that sort of thing to make sure we're all absolutely safe. And particularly if anybody has a partner or somebody who needs to take special care, we would always respect that. It's lovely getting together. It's a great venue that we have in London, beautiful yoga centre, quite near Victoria Station. So people have often flown in from abroad, flying into Gatwick. It's very quick to get to Victoria, and joined the course. Now, of course, the Zoom course is even easier from abroad. And since we've started the virtual course, we've had people from New Zealand, China, America, Eastern Europe, Western Europe, the Middle East, you name it, I think we've had it. So it's lovely to welcome people from around the world, which is, of course, easier and cheaper on Zoom than it is face-to-face. But in the face-to-face course, the content is identical. We can do a couple of exercises together, which we can't do on Zoom, and we can have lovely chats in the coffee break. So the things that are the same are much greater than the things that are different. And the cost of the two courses is, for the face-to-face course, it's £797. For the virtual course on Zoom, it's £650. You can book them both online on the website kghypnobirthing.com. And the office is here to help if you need any more information. We'd love to see you. Thank you.